Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do cube using beads. For this, we have taken two different types of beads. This is like cylindrical bead and the circle bead. So now let's see how to do them. Take two circle bead. You are going to cross both the beads. It looks like this. Next, take the cylindrical bead, insert one in one side of the thread and another one in another side of this thread. It looks like this. Next, take two circular bead in one side of the thread and you are going to cross them using the other side of the thread, inserting it through these two beads. And pull. It looks like this. Next, take cylindrical bead and insert it through one end of the thread and another cylindrical bead and insert into other side of the thread. Next, take two circular bead. You are going to cross these two circular beads. So you have to do this for two more times. I have done one more time, and the second time we are not going to finish it off. That is, we will be inserting the cylindrical bead on each side. Next, we are not going to insert the two circular bead. Instead, we are going to take one side of this thread and insert it through the two beads which we inserted first. We will join them here like this. We are going to cross this two beads and take this other side. You can make a knot. This is how the cube keychain looks. Cube keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.